You can see the gloss with a lifetime warranty product for the PPF what we have installed on this car. We upgrade your driving experience where stock fitment ends and style begins only at Kirti Car Accessories. The owner had installed the PPF at some local shop. Within 15 days, the PPF had started getting yellow. So it was a local and cheap quality PPF which was installed on the car. So we removed the old PPF and some of the parts of this car were done in patches where such a premium car shouldn't have been done into patches, and one piece was required. So we changed the whole lot of PPF, and while removing the PPF, we made it a point to take care that we didn't damage the single paint surface of the car, and installation was done on a very precise and perfect way with a skilled staff. And we have got the best premium quality titanium PPF of Garware installed on this car. A Range Rover, which is known as a symbol of class, a moving masterpiece. But what if this royalty got a scratch? That scratch won't just hurt the paint, it will leave a mark on your heart. So we did what we had to be done. We wrapped it in the finest armor, invisible, unbeatable premium paint protection film to keep the king flawless. You can see the effect, you can see the gloss with a lifetime warranty product for the PPF what we have installed on this car.